Welcome back. In this short section, we'll be focusing on chart supplements. They provide a lot of information about airport data. Make sure that you download the Airman Knowledge Testing Supplement for the UAS exam. You can get this directly from the FAA. This will help you prepare for the exam. In Appendix 1, you'll find two legends that are going to be very helpful, one for symbols and the other for U.S. Chart Supplement test questions. As you already know, you need to download the Airman Knowledge Testing Supplement for the UAS exam. The Chart Supplement legend will help you with any questions that you may have. Chart supplements provide the most comprehensive information on any given airport, any type of airport, heliports, seaplanes. They provide navigational aids, communication frequencies and data, weather data, information about airspace, special notices, operational procedures.